I'm just from TikTok. You are a stay-at-home mom. Being a stay-at-home mom doesn't mean that you cannot run a business, you cannot keep yourself busy, find money for yourself. Hey my loves, happy new week, new energy, and therefore new vlog. I'm hoping that you all are doing fantastic. Welcome to this amazing channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ruth. I'm just from outside. I went to pick my delivery and the sun is doing the most. The heat here is doing the most. So I went to deliver I went to pick my order. I've been wanting, or rather been waiting to transform my living room by giving it a facelift the way I did to my dining area. And I bought this vinyl carpet, vinyl floor. The one I installed on my dining, I bought it from RH Wallpapers. I found them on Instagram. So I went there, I purchased it, and then it ran out of stock. So they've been telling me it will be restocked for 2 weeks. I think it's now a month. They haven't. So nilikuwa tu zangu pale Instagram, and then again I came across this particular page. I'm going to leave it here on Instagram, selling the same thing, the same price but different quality. And let me tell you guys, sellers can convince you into buying something. Like, I don't know, they have this trend that I've just noticed today, because I was talking to this lady and then I happened to video call her to show her whatever I had, because ilitumika ikabaki hii ilikuwa imebaki. I don't know if you're seeing it, this one. So I had to video call her and to show her what exactly I need. And then she was like, that one is very different from the one I'm selling. The one you have is not, I don't know whether I'm going to say it. It's not that good because it's plastic. It's rubber. When you fold it, it can crack and da 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 da. She told me a lot of side effects about it. And then she was like, this one is vinyl. Ilibidi niende Google what's the meaning of vinyl. Yeah, so nikaingia box and then I ordered it. So it's here. Tomorrow it will be fixed so that I can get to see the difference. Is it just the words of the sellers, like marketing strategies or what? Because I don't know. I'm yet to realize the difference. I will see that tomorrow when we install. And also I'm hoping that maybe at the end of this vlog I'll be able to reveal my bedroom. I'm still waiting for the carpenter because the one who does the work perfectly is held up somewhere else. That's why it's taking long. I want someone who knows what they're doing. The one who built the walls did it perfectly. So I'm waiting for this particular one to be free so that he can come and fix the shelves for me. So let's just vlog and see how it goes. Jesus, the way I fear dogs. The way I fear dogs, guy. The one domestic animal that I cannot keep is a dog. Mimi naogopanga dogs like any other thing. So I'm done with school drop off today. We did route 11 because the car has an issue. It hasn't been solved. Thank God it's just a walking distance. So I'm done. I did the first one at 6:30 and then the last one at 8. So I'm going back home. We go and do a facelift of my living room. I can't wait to see the outcome. I'm so excited. So let's see how it goes. I am back. I went somewhere. I left the fundi doing the work, and he has tried to return, like has returned the seats and the TV stand, but there's a little problem that is pissing me off. A little problem that is pissing me off. Otherwise, it looks so nice, it looks cute. Kuna tu kashida kadogo inafanya nikasirike, but anyways, it is what it is. Let me just show you. Problem is here. Hii mlango, it cannot go past there. It can't. This place looks bad. I didn't expect this. I expected ikuje kama mpaka hapa, like ikave the whole of the living room up to there, because I want to put a green grass carpet in the entrance. Here I will put a grass carpet. So this one is pissing me off because this is the door we normally use. Now it cannot go past here. I'm like, what am I going to do? And this one is flexible. Another thing is the glue iliisha, because tunatumia counter, we ran out of counter. Hapo pamebaki hivyo. Another thing that I've realized is my house is not straight. These walls are not straight. Look at this. Kuna space hapo, and then ukikuja hii side imeshika ukuta vizuri. So the wall is not straight. At some point kuna place nini zinawachana. But overall, I'm loving the entire place. It looks good. Imeingiana na hii vizuri, though I bought them from different places. This was from RH, and then this one is from Top Level _floors_interior. So I'm going to leave their links maybe in the description. If you're interested, you can check them out. Okay, it looks nice. It looks nice. I'm so happy. Yeah, it looks nice, guys. I'm loving it. One step at a time, and then we'll be done. We'll be done with this house. My tenant will enjoy the space. It will be looking so beautiful. It will be looking so homely. So in case if I happen to rent this house, the tenant will enjoy. Atakuwa na soft life here. So yeah, let me try and clean. Just sweep the floor and then organize the seats, and then we will be done. But it's looking nice. I'm happy about it.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never want to share tonight. If the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If the world's looking out and we're happy after the fall, and I don't wanna change it all.
This place is pissing me off. Am I going in the inside? Do I put it in the inside? no need for a carpet. Yeah, the floor is very warm, there's no need ya kuweka carpet, so I'm thinking where I'll put my carpet, and the way it's very big, I might put it in my bedroom before I install the same thing there. So that is what I'm just thinking. So let me give you an overlook of everything. Saturday, right now it's 8 in the morning. It's very cloudy. It looks like it's going to rain. I've just had my breakfast and I'm sweating. The Nivea moisturizer makes you sweat like something else, and also that Dr. Rachel face cream, ukisha apply una sweat yako yote. But I thank God because at least my skin is, we are going somewhere with the product that I purchased, the beginner skincare product, Dr. Rachel. It's amazing. So far so good. I want to step out. I have a delivery to do because I usually might do my deliveries on Saturday. So I'm done with breakfast. Let me do that really quick and come back because I have some few things to do here in the house. Motherhood duties. So yeah, let me just dress. I'm already dressed up. I just want to put on this belt and then we step out. What I'm wearing. What a Monday rainy morning. It has been raining. It started raining it was around 5 early in the morning. Right now it's 9, few minutes past 9, and the sun is showing up. So I want to like have my breakfast and step out. I'm going to town to run some errands. Hopefully it won't rain again. Imuvua imenyesha. Kumenyesha. It has been raining so heavily. So after school drop off, I came back. I've just been lying in. Right now I want to get ready, step out, and just like start the day and also start the week. So besties, I filmed content for my business page. Yeah, I was doing new stock, and then I'm just from TikTok. I've been on TikTok live for like 2 hours 30 minutes because yeah, it's an online business, and you know, I'm not depending only on posting pictures and small videos. I also want to be going live there on TikTok and also on Instagram. I haven't noted down on Instagram. I'll do that maybe tomorrow, but today nimekuwa TikTok, and I'm just grateful. So if you are here and you're not following me on Real Ruth, my personal IG, and then business page is Ruezelagant.ke, go follow me there and you get to see more about my business. I started with handbags, and now yesterday I went to the market and I added shoes. I have a lot of shoes there, na zingine ziko hii side. Yeah, I'm just from selling on TikTok. So I have a client, I want to take some to them because they want to see some. So I want to do that ASAP because my phone is also going off. So besties, if you are there and you're wondering what to do, you are a stay-at-home mom. Being a stay-at-home mom doesn't mean that you cannot run a business, you cannot keep yourself busy, you cannot like find money for yourself, you cannot work for your money, you cannot, you know, you can do a lot of things so long as you have a phone which can access internet. Just open an Instagram account, TikTok, WhatsApp, and then start something. Imagine hizi viatu you can start from as low as 5,000, because ukichukua kama 25 pairs maybe at around 6k, kuna 5k, 20 pairs, 21, 22. You can just start, and then you do it online. You also have friends, you can let them know what you're doing, and then you never know. Because for me, I chose doing online because most of the time I'm at home. Right now I do it peacefully because my kids wako shule, they come back in the evening when I'm done selling, you know, and everything. So it's quite comfortable, the comfort zone of your house, just you and your ring light and your products and yourself and your phone. Sit there. You never know. Don't just be there. That is something that I've learned, because also I'm trying to gain my spark, to bring my spark back, because I had talked about losing your spark the moment you get married and also the moment you start having kids. Kids will really pull you down a little bit. So for me, I'm really trying to bring myself back. I have visions, I have dreams, I have the life that I have always wanted to, and also I just don't want to be a burden to someone's son. At least I can provide something for myself. If it's my hair, I can provide, even if it's not 100%, I can do small, and then he chips in with a small amount. That is what ladies out here are doing. Just have something that you are doing. Don't give yourself a lot of stress that you did not go to school, you don't have certificates, you don't have degree, you don't have PhD, you don't have you don't have papers. There's a lot of work you can do out here, especially online. Kuna hata hizi courses you can train for 4 weeks na pesa kidogo if you have it, and then just make sure that you learn something. Make sure that you are learning something that will keep you busy, and also it will give you a small amount of money. At least ukue na something tangible for yourself. So for me, I thank God because I'm now naanza kurudisha my spark. I'm coming back, and I'm just here to encourage you that you can do it. You can make it. Start. It doesn't matter how small you're going to start or how big you're going to start, but just make sure that you start something, and then you'll see God working things out for you. So let me pack some of this and then take them to my clients somewhere. Yeah.